Hey everyone, what's up? It's Christian from RackNerd TV. Today we are diving into an essential feature in cPanel, setting up FTP accounts. Whether you're looking to upload files to your website or manage your server's file structure, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, accounts make transferring files between your local computer and your server easy and efficient. Let's jump into how you can set up and manage FTP accounts in cPanel. Before we get started, make sure that you have an active RackNerd cPanel shared or reseller hosting plan. This tutorial assumes that your domain is already connected and you have access to your cPanel. If not, head over to RackNerd.com to get started with a plan that fits your needs. Now, let's dive right into it. Once you're logged into cPanel, scroll down to the Files section and click on FTP Accounts. This is where you can set up and manage all your FTP accounts. The first thing you'll need to do is create a new FTP account. You'll see a simple form where you can enter the necessary details. Start by typing in the FTP username. This will be the name that you use to log into the FTP server. If you want this account to be specific to a particular domain, you can choose the domain from the drop-down list. Next, set a password for the account. Make sure it's strong and secure. You'll also have the option to set a directory. This defines the folder on your server the FTP account will have access to. You can either give the user access to the entire directory or limit them to a specific folder. This is great for limiting access and keeping things organized. Once the details are filled out, click Create FTP Account. Your new FTP account will be created and you'll see it listed under the FTP Accounts section. From here, you can view your FTP account details, manage the passwords, and even delete accounts you no longer need. To connect your FTP account, you can use an FTP client like FileZilla or any other FTP software you prefer. Just enter the FTP server address, username, and password that were set up in cPanel, and you'll be able to start transferring files from your server. And that's all there is to it. Setting up FTP accounts in cPanel is quick and easy. Whether you're managing your website files, uploading backups, or organizing your server structure, FTP accounts are a powerful tool to streamline file transfers. As always, this feature is included with RackNerd cPanel hosting plans, so if you're not already hosting with us, head over to RackNerd.com for fast, secure, and affordable hosting solutions. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to RackNerd TV for more helpful cPanel tutorials and hosting tips like this one. With that said, talk soon.